Hey everyone, hope you all are doing great. In this video, we will be discussing about best places to buy groceries in Mount Pleasant as well as top spots for winter wear and cloth shopping. Also, Indian food and groceries. Lastly, I will provide few suggestions on which shops are best for specific products. Additionally, I will be discussing about the Walmart app, which is incredibly useful for students. Now let's wrap up with these valuable insights. For groceries, we have Walmart, Aldi, Rix, Target, Jordan, Mayors and Greentree. Walmart offers a wide range of groceries from fresh produce to pantry staples, along with household items and more, catering to diverse needs under one roof. And also Aldi itself and offering high quality groceries at affordable prices with a focus on their own private label brand, ensuring values for money for shoppers. Also, the Rix Food Center provides a personalized shopping experience with a variety of fresh produce, meats and specialty items, emphasizing communities, connections and quality service. Also, Target is offering convenience and varieties within grocery section, featuring fresh produce, packaged goods and household essentials. Jordan Food Services caters not only to households but also to businesses, offering bulk quantities of foods and supplies at wholesale prices, making it to go for large gatherings or events. Mayors combines groceries with general merchandise, offering a one-stop shopping experience with a wide selection to fresh produce, household items, clothing and more. Greentree Cooperative Groceries focuses on providing organic, locally sourced and sustainable food options, catering to health-conscious customers and supporting the community through the ethical sourcing practices. Also, we have great places for cloth shopping on winter wear. The first one is Burlington, where you will find incredible deals on winter wear for whole family. From cozy coats and stylish boots, they have got everything you need to stay warm and fashionable this winter. Plus, their wide selection of accessories and cold weather essentials means you can stock up all the winter gear in convenient location. And we have Walmart too. At Walmart, we understand the importance of staying warm and comfortable during the winter months without breaking the bank. That's why they offer a wide range of winter wear options for every budget. Whether you are looking for a new coat, gloves, hats or scarves, you will find everything you need at Walmart. And Target for trendy jackets and cozy sweaters to durable boots and accessories. We have everything you need to stay warm and stylish this season, says Target all the time. And we also do have TJ Maxx and Rule 21 too. Now let's come to my favorite part, Indian stores and restaurants. While Mount Pleasant may not currently host Indian establishments, there are numerous options available nearby cities. For those who are craving authentic Indian cuisine, are seeking to explore Indian culture like me, through its stores, here are some nearby locations where you can find Indian stores and restaurants. First one is Lansing and Grand Rapids, Saginaw, Farmington, Sterling Heights. Hey there international students, if you are new to Mount Pleasant and feeling a bit overwhelmed about where to shop for essentials, I have got you covered with some handy suggestions. First up, let's talk about Walmart. It's a one-stop shop for pretty much everything you need when setting up your new home, from broomsticks to vacuum cleaners and toilet brushes whatnot. Walmart has covered with great deals on home essentials. Trust me, I have compared prices on Walmart consistently, offers some of the best deals in the town. Also, don't forget to make Walmart as your first stop for shopping. When it comes to fresh dairy products, fruits and veggies, Aldi is your go-to spot. Not only are their prices budget friendly, but their produce is top notch. It's perfect place to stock up on nutritious goodies without breaking the bank. If you are a plant lover like me, you will definitely want to check out Mayors. They have a fantastic selection of cute and lovely plants that will instant add a cozy vibe to your new home. I personally adore their wide range of plant options. When winter rolls around, you need to bundle up. Burlington is the place to be. They offer a wide range of winter wear, and don't forget to browse their clearance section for some hidden gems. You will often find fantastic deals on stylish wear that won't empty up your wallet. Let's not forget about our money-saving heroes, Dollar Days, Below 5 and Dollar Tree. These stores are perfect for small decorative items, party essentials and anything else you might need for less than $5. They are absolutely lifesavers when you are on budget. There you have it people, my top shopping tips for navigating Mount Pleasant like a pro. I hope these suggestions help make your transition a little smoother and your shopping trips a little more enjoyable. Happy shopping!